Service. Oh. The next service to come into platform 2 as Royston is the delayed 12:04 service. It's now 12:14 roundabout, and it's not a 365. Wow, it's not a 365 this time. In fact, it's a 4-carriage 317342 to Cambridge, calling at Mildred, Stepford, Foxton and Cambridge. Our first 317 of the day. Oh, hang on.
I think it's 321.
Oh, got 321, 321, 321, 321. The train now arriving at platform 1 is 321 401 to London King's Cross. This is a First Capital Connect crossover. 317 and 321.
That is great.
Yes. 317 to Cambridge, 321 to London. Excellent.
King's Cross.
This one, Dick. No, I've just got this. You have paused it. Pause. I don't want. Oh. Okay.
Sorry, viewers on YouTube.
Look at the interior inside of 321.
The interior is 321.
The
Is that interesting? But, oh well.
the newest. This is 321. Closing doors. Ready to depart platform. Platform 1 for the departing 321 to London King's Cross. 321 401. Meanwhile, in platform 2, there is still the 317. Hi, Lance. Look at Lance. Lance is a very keen train spotter as well. Yes, viewers. There's the 321 to London King's Cross, and here's the 317 to Cambridge.
Platform.
What a spectacular crossover at Royston.
And we got a freight liner. Oh my god.
This is the 317 departing from platform 2 as Royston. Listen to that noise of the 317. Lovely. Thank you, 317. 317 342 to Cambridge. 365 511 straight through Royston. Coupled with 365 531 to London King's Cross and not calling at Royston.